Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AEZS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The ideal level of support going forward, when you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the $2.30 mark. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $2.30, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, it would be great if the price can stay up above 230, but from a grand scheme of things perspective, as long as the price is up above that purple line, the bulls are 100% in control of the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? In regards to where the sellers are hanging out at, they made themselves pretty apparent, and that's right up there at $2.45. Sure, at one point the price stuck its head up above that area, but for the vast majority of all the other instances, pretty straightforward. The price just couldn't ever really gain any sort of continued momentum after it got up right around 245. I'm not saying 245 can't be broken. I'm just saying that according to the quote-unquote story of the chart, apparently the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game to not only fight through that level, but then also be able to stay up above it. Anyway, slice it though. Very nice movement today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.